And they're up Grand Affair looking for the leader. But here comes the master now from the outside. Alang coming up now, Love Story. Then followed by Meadow Lad. And going along for the first turn, Grand Affair with two lengths leader. Followed by the master running in second. And down in third bar with his Love Story. Two lengths back. Big Time moving up now the outside. Kudos. Then followed by Meadow Lad, Bohemian Deba. Entry number 8, Preciosa. And passing the half mile, it is still Grand Affair, leading by some two lengths. Love Story now running in second. Kudos moving up now the outside to take third. Down in fourth is entry number 9, Big Time. Then followed by Seamaster, Bohemian de Preciosa. Inside the last 600, it's still Grand Affair. Here comes a long shot. That's Love Story now for the outsider. And towards the final turns, Grand Affair leading by half a length. Love Story on the outside, second. But still Grand Affair leading by a length. Followed by Love Story on the outside. But still Grand Affair, Love Story moves up on the outside, grab the leader. It's now Love Story, and finally Love Story, Grand Affair, Bohemian Dave, Anonymous, then followed by Meadow Lad and Preciosa.